Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm a luxury real estate agent in Beverly Hills, California, but I still work with first-time home buyers. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Real Estate Happens, the very first and longest running real estate show on the web. I'm John McQuilkin. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, as I mentioned previously, I am a real estate agent in Beverly Hills, California. I sell luxury, high-end homes, but I still get so much fulfillment working with first-time home buyers. I know high-end listing agents here in Beverly Hills that refuse to work any homes for under $1 million, and they refuse to work with first-time home buyers. And I think that is a mistake, at least for me. If it works for them, then fine. But I get so much fulfillment from working with first-time home buyers. It makes you feel so good inside to help a first-time home buyer realize the American dream. And let me tell you something, these first-time home buyers, they never forget it. They invite you to all the life events in their life. If they're throwing a barbecue in the summer, you're going to be invited to that barbecue. And I go to all the invitations that I get. I meet so many nice, genuine, hard-working first-time home buyers at those events. And I always pick up new clients in the first-time home market arena just from attending these barbecues or picnics or whatever I do with these buyers. And it brings me so much fulfillment when I do. So again, should you work with first-time home buyers? In my opinion, absolutely yes. They will change your life. Now, working in the luxury real estate market, it's completely different. You're not going to be invited to barbecues or whatnot when you're working with a luxury home buyer. They see you as an employee. When first-time home buyers, they see you as family because you're helping make their family better by helping them get their first home. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you leave a comment below. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below and I will answer all of your questions, because it is my sincere hope that you become the most successful real estate agent that you can be. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Make sure you click on the like button because that helps me. That helps my videos move up the ranks of YouTube, and I sincerely appreciate that. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you're notified of my new videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I wish you all the best in real estate. I'm going to have another show for you real soon. I promise you that. So until then, take care, everybody. I'm John McQuilkin, and I'll see you in real estate.